Hello, for this lesson, we are going to be talking about styling our website using fonts, and more specifically, using Google Fonts and implementing them into our website. So you may be wondering, why would we want to use a Google font specifically? Well, let's first take a look at our website. So here we can see that we are using style.css for our styling. And right now we're using the font family sans serif. So if we go to our website, you can see it's just plain sans serif. And we can take a brief look at some other types of fonts that may be offered. You can see there's Times New Roman, Georgia, Cambria, some very plain and simple fonts that we're used to. Here, this is Times Roman, one that we're very familiar with. So my favorite tool for viewing and comparing all of the fonts offered on Google Fonts is W3 Schools How to Google Fonts. And in here, they compare all of the fonts in a single column right next to each other, so you can get a good glimpse of exactly what you're looking for. One that stuck out to me was this Racing Sans one. And so I'm going to look for Racing Sans in Google Fonts, and I quickly find Racing Sans one. So here we're able to preview the different types and languages that you can have. You can type in different words, like I could type in Ferrari, and I can compare the size to make sure that this is the font that I'm wanting to use. And I'm going to choose regular 400 Racing Sans 1, and you can see I open my selected families. If you have used Google Fonts before, you will have a collection of all the different fonts you've used before. Just be careful to make sure that you are grabbing the font that you do want. So here, I'm going to grab this link and the href all the way to the style sheet. And I'm just going to copy that. And I'm going to take that to my index.html. And I'm going to place it underneath my style sheets. And I'm going to save. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to grab in my font family, copy, go back into my style.css, and replace that with my Racing Sans one. So now when I go back and view my website, I now have a very unique and bold text.